Hey there, Snapchat users. Want to learn how to log out of your Snapchat account? You've come to the right place. In this full guide, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process. Let's get started. Step 1. Open up your Snapchat application on your device. Look for the familiar yellow icon with a white ghost. Step 2. Once you're in the app, tap on your account picture located in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Step 3. In the top right corner of your profile page, you'll see a small gear icon. Tap on it to access the Snapchat settings. Step 4. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the settings page. Here, you'll find the Logout option. Tap on it to log out of your Snapchat account. Bonus step. If you want to fully sign out of your account and remove all associated data, look for the Remove Account option located below your username. Tap on it to complete the sign-out process. By following these steps, you'll be able to successfully log out of your Snapchat account whenever you need to. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials and Snapchat tips. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.